Hey researchers, when we talk about the best AI tools available in the market for academic writing and data gathering, Consensus is one of them. With its 200 million plus peer-reviewed papers, where you can ask the question from the literature based on yes or no responses. You can synthesize the whole literature with tables, images, and in-text and out-text citations. By integrating Consensus with FLOD, you will be able to use unlimited features of FLOD, and you can synthesize your literature review. Along with, you can build your CV and can design a professional grant-winning research proposal. So this video is specifically focusing on that. If you are a seasonal researcher, how you can use Consensus to perform your day-to-day task and how its integration with FLOD is going to help you to synthesize professional documents. So stay tuned. You can access the tool from the link available in description and can access its free 1-week trial through that link. You can access the Consensus from the link available in description, and when you log in, you will see these kind of different modes which is offering you. In its pro version, you can analyze 20 papers at once, and in its deep version, you can analyze up to 50 papers in one go. And here you can select the field of study. Either you want to access over 200 million plus research papers, or you just want to access the medical journals if you are doing your studies in a medical field, or if you want to build your own library. So you can access all of these three features just by clicking on this option. I'm just going to run a simple question to analyze that how it's go through to the literature and build the answer on my query, and how much comprehensive answer I will get. Before moving forward, I will show you its filter option, which is quite in detail and comprehensive, where you can select the publication year, you can select the journal type, you can select the citation you want to keep into the papers which are being included in your studies. You can even select the type of methodologies which should be included in each paper. Along with, you can select the field of study. You can select the countries from where you want to gather the data. For example, I'm feeding the tool about how can artificial intelligence improve crop yield prediction and decision making in modern agriculture. I will press on deep, which will analyze up to 50 papers at once and will synthesize a comprehensive report for me. So it will follow a step-by-step process by going through the literature, by mapping the gaps, and by researching and synthesizing an entire document for us. So it's formulating at the moment, literature reviewing. So as you can see, it have studied almost 2.8 million papers, and among them, these are the numbers which are being eligible, and these both numbers will keep changing while we get a complete document. And on the left side, once papers start to be cited, they will appear here. So when it will come into the included section, so as you can see, this paper have this. So as you can see, these are the fundamental concepts: early application of artificial intelligence in crop yield prediction, foundational models for AI-driven agriculture decision making, and these are the citations. Based on all these above studies, this is the final document which Consensus is preparing for us by keeping in view all these papers which tool found highly relevant according to my query and want to include in this study. So I can cross-check every paper just by clicking on the link provided, and I can see all the details of the paper here. I can see either its PDF is available, and then I can see the snapshot of this paper, which will show me the studies, the methods, and the outcomes of this specific paper. So this is the introduction of the document, and then it's writing the methods. Then this is the search strategy which it performs. Among 58.3 million paper, 1.5K was eligible, and among these 15,000 papers, 50 papers has been included, as this mode is supporting the analysis of 50 papers at once. So these are the results which have been concluded from the data available, and this is the decision making enhancement through explainable AI, and all the parameters have been covered, and this is the results timeline, and this is the top contributions. These are the papers which contributes most to support our research question, and this is the discussion. And here you can say claim and evidence table, which are also going to highlight the most cited papers along with evidence strength and then its claims. So this is a very in-depth, and this is the version which you get, and this is what you are getting in the, and this is what you are getting from the Consensus. when you're going to use Consensus by using its lake. But this integration with Claude is going to make this process even more faster, more easy, and going to use the multiple features of Claude to customize your query and to ask the questions according to your requirement. And by clicking on add connectors, you can connect Consensus, and it's a very simple few step process which will allow you to connect Consensus with Claude. And after that, when you ask any question from Claude, the answer you will get will come up with the references, and it has been trained specifically to design your literature review, to design your CV, and to write any kind of a research proposal. So for example, I'm going to give a command to the Claude, write the research proposal for my PhD on the same question. After going through a step-by-step process, research proposal on AI and crop yielding prediction is being synthesized by the Claude, and all the information you will get will come up with the references and citations, and we will see the final document after a few minutes. So this is a step-by-step process, and now it's going to validate it. Here you can mention the name of the university, email, and your name. I'm able to get a very well-defined research proposal of about 8 pages, which I can even limitize the tool that what number of pages I require and what kind of a specific details I want to include in the research proposal. So this is the abstract, this is the introduction, this is the research objectives, this is the significance and innovation methodology, along with the research timeline, budget estimate, and expected outcomes and deliverables, ethical consideration, and research team, along with the references. So this is a very well-written, very systematic and organized research proposal with all the section included. You can definitely use this document as an initial document to write your document, and even if you are very much clear about the instructions, you can enhance your document by providing all the specific details you want to include in the proposal. I will definitely turn on the Consensus, and then I will click on write the systematic literature review and how can artificial intelligence improve the same topic. I'm going to write a systematic literature review on it. So this is the document of 9,000 words, consists of 9 sections, including abstract, introduction, methodology, data sources, decision-making applications, and we can download it in a single click. So this is the abstract, this is the introduction, this is the research questions, this is the scope and significance, methodology, search strategy which have been performed to bring these results and to find the most relevant research paper. Then study selection process, and this is document of around 21 pages, which is going to cover a comprehensive systematic literature review about the specific provided topic. And here you can see that it have a list of references also which have been included to write this specific document. And you can write any kind of a research document if your Claude has been integrated with Consensus, and you will get all the information with references. So Consensus is one of the most loved and used AI tools among academia because it provides you different modes and different data sets according to your need and your subject. And its new feature and integration with Claude make your research writing process even more easy and professional. You can enjoy 1 week free trial of the tool from the link available in description. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach us out at our website. The link is available below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with others and to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.